Honey, we're already running so late for the wedding party. Could you please hurry up and finish your makeup?
You don't understand, darling. I'm a woman, it takes time to get ready. You boys just change your clothes and get ready. But we have to do so much more.
I get it, but we're already half an hour behind schedule. Can't you speed things up a bit?
Speed up? Do you know how many steps are involved in doing makeup? Primer, foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, lipstick. It's an art, dear.
I know, but we don't have time for art right now. This wedding is important, and we can't be late.
Look, I want to look good too, okay? It's not just about you. Give me another 15 minutes, and I promise I'll be ready.
15 minutes? All right, but that's it. I can't believe you ladies need so much time for makeup.
Well, it's not just about makeup, you see. We have to consider hair, accessories, and of course, choose the right outfit.
Yeah, I forgot about the outfit selection process. But still, we could have been out the door by now.
You know what they say, honey, good things take time. And I want to look my best for our friend's wedding.
I understand that, and I want you to look your best too. It's just that I get nervous when we're late for events like this.
I know, love. I promise, after this, I'll try to be more punctual. But for now, can you help me choose between these two dresses?
You trust my fashion sense?
Of course, I do. And besides, we're a team, right?
All right, let's go with this one. It matches your shoes perfectly.
Thanks, honey. You're a lifesaver.
Okay, we have 10 more minutes. Can you speed up just a tad?
I'll do my best. But could you grab my earrings, please?
Here you go. You know, I really do appreciate the effort you put into looking beautiful for these events.
And I appreciate your patience. Thanks for understanding, even when I take forever to get ready.
It's all part of the deal, right? You make us look good, and I'll make sure we're on time.
Honey, how do I look in this dress?
You look absolutely beautiful, dear.
Really?
Yes, really. That dress suits you perfectly, and your smile makes you even more gorgeous.
Thank you, sweetie. And how about you? How do I look next to you?
Well, I'm the luckiest guy in the room, because I have the most stunning wife by my side.
You always know just what to say. Let's go and have a wonderful time at the party.
Absolutely, my beautiful wife. Let's enjoy the evening together.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.